Today on Seat 11A, we are joined by Jean-François Doucet, CEO of Amoeba SA, for an elevator pitch presentation. Amoeba is a French green technology company developing natural biosolutions based on a unique amoeba cultivation platform. The company is active in two large and attractive markets: agricultural biocontrol and cosmetic ingredients. During this presentation, management explains the company's proprietary technology, recent regulatory achievements, commercial partnerships with global industry leaders, and why Amoeba believes it is entering a new phase focused on commercialization and industrial execution. We are delighted to welcome him today. Jean-François, the floor is yours.
Thank you for the introduction and thank you for your time. In the next few minutes, I would like to answer three simple questions: who we are, why our technology is unique, and why Amoeba is now entering a new phase of value creation. Amoeba is a French green tech company. We develop natural biosolution based on a very specific microorganism, an amoeba, and we address two large markets: agriculture and cosmetics. Amoeba is now at a turning point, shifting from scientific development to commercial and industrial execution. Over the last 10 years, we have invested a lot in R&D, field validation, product registration, and industrial development, building a strong intellectual property position with 39 patents and unique industrial know-how. Our model is based on two pillars: agriculture, with biocontrol solutions and future biofertilizer applications, a high-volume market, and cosmetics, with a natural active ingredient for skincare and well aging, a high-margin market. We are small, but our model already attracts major partners: Corporate, Syngenta, and Oriental Beauty Valley in China. This combination gives Amoeba a unique position with a validated technology, major markets, strong partners, and a clear path toward commercialization. Our mission is to offer natural and effective alternatives to conventional chemical products. Our strength is that one unique technology platform, supported by the same industrial model, allows us to address two markets today: biocontrol and cosmetics. In agriculture, farmers are facing increasing pressure from fungal diseases, while many chemical solutions are being restricted or even withdrawn. They are looking for innovation. This is where Amoeba provides a natural biocontrol solution with demonstrated efficacy in the field across many crops and many diseases. In cosmetics, our active ingredient is also innovative, with a differentiated mode of action, and is positioned in skin protection, repair, and well aging. So one platform, one industrial model, and two large markets looking for natural and effective solutions. What makes our company unique is our combination of patented applications and industrial know-how. To our knowledge, we are the only company able to cultivate amoeba at industrial scale and to use it for commercial applications. Our active ingredient is not based on a single molecule. It is based on a rich, natural microorganism used in a processed form with more than 12,000 natural compounds. Of course, it is very difficult to copy. It takes expertise in biology, industrial production, and many years of development and registration work. Our innovation has been recognized by two major international awards in biocontrol: the Bernard Bloom Gold Award and the Civil Gold Medal for Innovation. This is why we believe we have a significant lead over potential competitors. Our commercial strategy is based on partnerships with leading players who already have strong market access. For vines and vegetable crops, we have signed an exclusive distribution agreement with Corporate, the world leader in biocontrol solutions. This agreement covers 18 European countries and the United States. Future developments are already anticipated. For cereals, we have signed a memorandum of understanding with Syngenta, one of the global leaders in agricultural innovation, and plant protection. These partnerships give Amoeba a direct route to very large markets. For investors, the key point is that Amoeba has now passed major validation steps. The technology is validated, the regulatory path is now largely secured. Our active substance was approved in Europe in June 2025, and product authorization has already been obtained in the United States. In France, the product dossier has now been positively assessed, and we are waiting for the final step, which is only administrative. Of course, our solution has also been tested many times in real field conditions, with very positive results and professional feedback. On the industrial side, our model is asset-light. We rely on our internal know-how and on CDMO partners to support scale-up. Our first commercial routes are now in place. Cosmetics is a second major opportunity for Amoeba. It is a large and growing market with lower volume but much higher margins. We do not sell finished cosmetic products. We provide a natural active ingredient for cosmetic brands looking for natural, innovative, and scientifically supported ingredients. Our ingredient has already shown very promising effects both in vitro and in clinical studies, and is positioned in high-value segments such as skincare, skin repair, and well aging. This represents a powerful additional driver of profitability for Amoeba. China is an important priority for our cosmetic ingredient, but our ambition is global. First, China is one of the largest and fastest growing skincare markets in the world. Second, China has a very specific registration process, which is important for some global cosmetic companies that want to use a single formula worldwide. This registration process is now well advanced with the support of Oriental Beauty Valley, a major hub dedicated to cosmetics and supported by local authorities. Our partner is also expected to become our local distributor in China. Outside China, our ingredient is already listed in the INCI database, which enables commercial use in many countries. Together with our scientific dossier, this gives us a strong basis to approach major international cosmetic players. We are now finalizing marketing positioning, accelerating commercial development, and moving closer to market. If China is a key step, our ambition is global. To conclude, Amoeba is now at a turning point. We have unique technology platform, major regulatory milestones, strong partners, and an asset-light industrial model. We address very large markets with strong demand for natural and sustainable solutions. For investors, the key message is simple. Amoeba is no longer a research story. It is now becoming a commercial and industrial story. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Jean-François, for presenting Amoeba. Today we learned how Amoeba has built a unique technology platform, achieved important regulatory milestones, secured strategic commercial partnerships, and established a foundation for future growth across agriculture and cosmetics. You can find this video and many more management presentations from listed companies on seat-11-a.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon on Seat 11A.
Disclaimer. As described in the legal section on our website, seat11a.com, this publication is for informational purposes only. This means it is not intended to provide you with any investment advice. Any opinion or recommendation expressed by the companies is neither given nor supported by us and should not be considered investment advice from our side. Also, remember that any opinion or recommendation expressed is subject to change without further notice. The content is obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but we do not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, or timeliness. Seat11a.com and its employees disclaim all liability for any loss that may arise in any form from any use of the information in the video, audio, and on our website. We neither express any opinion on the future value of any security or other investment vehicle, nor recommend any investment based on the information provided. Please consider the publications and our website as a platform for companies to present themselves. You need to seek financial advice from an expert regarding the accuracy and appropriateness of the material presented or recommended by the companies in the publication. As we are just considered a publisher, we may hold and trade securities in the presenting company, whether it is a listed or private company. By consuming our content, you agree to these terms and the terms in our legal section on our website.